Hello everyone, are you looking for the fastest way to build a high-traffic content channel today? I'll show you how to automate your content sourcing with 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 Viral, the ultimate tool to download TikTok videos without watermarks. With 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 Viral, flexibility is key. You can easily download videos by specific URL, entire user profiles, or direct links, but the real power lies in its smart scanning. Simply enter your keywords and click Start. The software will automatically scan and filter the videos with the highest engagement and views to download for you. This ensures you only get the most viral content for your re-upload strategy, like all 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 tools. It features background resource optimization, running silently without slowing down your PC. You can monitor the process through the live progress bar and see every successful download in the real-time history feed. Once finished, you can export your entire download history to an Excel file with one click for easy management. It's the perfect professional infrastructure for content creators and marketers who want to scale their reach on complete autopilot. Ready to dominate the feed? Contact our expert team via Telegram at 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 or WhatsApp at 8437611916 for a free consultation. Like and subscribe for more.